All right, so today we have Dr. Hardik with us, who cleared his exam and got B grades in all the modules. So, congratulations, Dr. Hardik, from the whole team of Khaira Education. So, how are you feeling right now?
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. And yeah, of course, I am feeling very good, like incredible, because I just cleared the OET exam and I am trying this exam to pass since long. Okay,
Yeah,
since uh, 2023, yeah, and
yeah,
finally I got clear my exam
yeah, that's really nice. And how was your experience with us?
with Kera. Yeah, it's fabulous, like excellent, because I got the almost all kind of the supports, even with the classes, with the timings, every kind, even any extra materials. So, yeah, Kara really did a very good job.
Okay, and do you have any suggestions or something which you would like to tell us?
No, actually, you people are doing already a brilliant job. So, I don't have any suggestions for you, but just keep it up and the way you are teaching to all the students. That's it.
Thank you so much, Doctor. It was lovely hearing from you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to thank first of obviously Bhumika ma'am as you and Upasana ma'am. Okay, because
Yeah,
I have all the class like the you took the listening and writing class and she took speaking and reading class. So I sincerely want to tell you thank you so much for your support throughout the course.
thank you so much. It's a pleasure, Doctor. Lovely listening that. Thank you so much.